guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video I have recreated one of the best Cannes makeup look of DEEPIKA Padukone. She looks so stunning this year. When I saw it, I know I had to do this. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started with it. I'm going to start with freshly washed face and then moisturize my face as usual. There was a time when I used to hate moisturizer because of an oily skin, but now I cannot live without them. So today's moisturizer is from Nivea. It feels so fresh and moisturizing. I love it. And I'm gonna start with my eyes and brows first because this look is all about the smoky eyes. We need more concentration over there. So here I am taking my favorite Kryolan concealer and shaping my brows. This is such a cool technique, I'll tell you guys, because this can make any eyebrows on fleek. It doesn't matter if we do threading or not. I'm also going to take this concealer on my lid for quick priming for our eyeshadows. And don't worry if this area around our eyebrows look messy, we will be applying foundation on top of it, so it's alright. I'm gonna set my eyelid with a bone shade. You could use any light eyeshadow you have in your collection. This will ensure that our concealer stay in place and not crease. Let's begin with the actual eyeshadow, but before that I will take a sticky tape and apply it on my eyes like so. This will give us a defined and desired cat eye shape which DEEPIKA is having. Now for a transition shade, I am going to take a rusty orange or a soft brown shade from an Inglot palette and applying it on my crease and blend it out nicely with my pack blending brush. And then to deepen it further, I am going to take a dark brown shade and apply it exactly on my crease and blend it out. After that, I am going to deepen it more, mostly on the outer side of my eyes with the ash brown shade. This part is very important, guys, because it will be the base for our next eyeshadow. So slowly add the color and blend it out. Up next, I am going to take a Faces Kohl pencil and line my upper eyelid like so, and then with a smudging brush I am going to smudge it all out. And then I'm going to take any matte black intense eyeshadow and apply it on my kohl and also pat it out at the outer corner for that smokiness. Here again I will add the black shade and blend it out nicely. This look is all about that perfect blending, guys, and that's what I'm trying to achieve here. Literally I'm holding 3 brushes at a time and working with them. Right, once it's done, I'm going to take a cranberry shade from the same Inglot eyeshadow palette and pat it on my eyes, starting from an inner corner to a midway of my lid. And here I'm using a Vega brush. You could use any of your flat synthetic eyeshadow brush for this. And on top of it, I'm going to take a nice light pink shimmery eyeshadow from a Saran palette and pat it all over that cranberry shade. Once it's done, I'm going to intensify my crease a little bit more with a mixture of dark brown and black shade like so. And then I'm going to line my eyes again with a pen eyeliner from Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection. You know, this is my favorite, but this time I'm just gonna line it and I'm not gonna smudge it. Let's remove the sticky tape and move on to our base makeup. Oh, first before that, let me finish with my eyebrows. Here I am using a Wet n Wild eyeshadow kit and slightly and lightly filling in my brows. Because of a concealer shaping which we did earlier, it will give us the guideline and make our job easy. Finally, we are getting in there. For foundation, I am using this L'Oreal Matte Magic foundation which has medium to full coverage, and Deepika has glowing skin, and for that I am going to add a MAC stroke cream and mix it well and apply it all over my face, then blend it out with the beauty blender. Strobe cream has sheared down the coverage a bit. Here I am taking only foundation and dabbing it on my blemishes which were not covered. For concealer, I am using this LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. This is so good, you guys. I have almost ran out of this. Definitely buying it again. And as I'm done applying concealer to my inner parameters of my face, then I'm going to blend it out. My concealer, any guesses? Obviously my favorite translucent powder. It's a yellow translucent powder. It cancels out darkness and brighten up my face. Now let's finish with our lower lash line. For that I'm going to apply a kajal on my waterline thickly and then smoke it out with a dark brown eyeshadow. To add definition back to my face again, I am going to bronze up my face. And for the blush, I'm going to use West Side Studio blush. This is so nice and has a fresh youthfulness to it. For lips, I'm going to use this matte lipstick from a MAC called Kinda Sexy and line my lips with a Kylie lip liner in the shade Pumpkin to add warmness in them. Finishing my look with a Marc Jacob mascara on my upper and lower lash line, and then will apply a nice fluttery eyelashes. Oh no guys, I almost forgot about the highlighter. So here I am applying my Matte Luminizer on my cheekbones, cupid bow, chin, bridge of my nose and all over my forehead, because shine on Deepika's forehead is literally goals. And here you go guys, my recreation on Deepika Padukone's Cannes 2018 makeup look. She is my favorite and I had so much fun filming it. I paired this look with a nice green earrings and a high bun hairstyle. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do so, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And till then, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.